Lance is down right now.
The audio courtesy Fox as the 49ers quarterback of the present and the future, Trey Lance, goes down with a season-ending ankle injury last Sunday. Though the 49ers went on to defeat the Seahawks 27-7, it was not exactly a celebratory post-game scene.
But yeah, it's tough. You feel for someone so bad. It's it's a sad moment. But you don't have time to sit there and think about it. You got to get right back to the game. And I thought the guys did a real good job of that. But we were real happy about the win. But it was a little sombering once you get in the locker room and you see it and stuff. So
that is head coach Kyle Shanahan after the victory against the Seahawks, speaking at the 49ers post-game press conference, led by Jimmy Garoppolo once again. 49ers are in Denver Sunday night, taking on the Broncos. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.
Hi, this is Dr. English. After nearly 3 years of COVID and masks, it's time to let your smile out. Do you need to fill that gap or secure that denture? Not all dental implants require a lot of pain and a long recovery time. Try mini dental implants. They're less invasive, less painful, less recovery time, and they're just as successful as traditional implants. Replacing missing teeth is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. We offer a 1-hour free consultation. 2. We can place the implants in 2 hours or less. 3. We can deliver your teeth in 3 weeks or less. For your loose denture, it usually only takes 1 visit to secure that denture. Clearly, Bay Area mini dental implants are the best choice for you.
Have you been told you don't have enough bone? Mini dental implants don't require a lot of bone. To find out what we can do for you, call Bay Area Mini Dental Implant Center at 833-GOT-MINI. 833-GOT-MINI. That's 833-468-6464 for a consultation. Financing available.
We don't take a break from what we do. We cover the news around the clock.
how long were you stuck?
I've been on that train since 7:03 a.m. So I would say almost 2 hours you've been on that train.
We are the only news station broadcasting live from the Bay Area every hour of the day, every day of the week.
We began to slow down and stop. Sometimes that happens, but this time we really stopped for like a very long time to the point where we're like, what's going on?
It's one more reason why we're the Bay Area's #1 news station. All news, all the time, right here on KCBS.
We have traffic 24/7. Case in point, here's Frank Munich with our latest look at the road. So, and again, as we always say, it seems we have some trouble 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Although that trouble's not bad at this hour, we're looking at an accident being dealt with involving a car that was speeding, going more than 80 miles an hour and then spinning out of control and off the roadway and into some bushes. Southbound 880 just before Dakota Road. We have crews that are going to need some 30 to 40 feet of cable to try and lift that car, evidently down an embankment, back onto the shoulder. So you'll see a lot of activity on the shoulder, but no indication that lanes are blocked. That's it in terms of accidents or stalls. As we mentioned last time, just within the last couple of minutes, we've had a heavy fog advisory go in effect for the Golden Gate Bridge. Certainly not as dense as we can see it at the stand, but that is something to be aware of. Your next update at 12:28 on the traffic leader KCBS. You're going to expect sunny skies inland all day Sunday, and morning fog will burn off, the clouds will decrease, and you'll end up with some sunshine there as well. Highs upper 60s to low 70s at the coast, upper 70s to mid 80s along the bay, low 90s inland. Monday more the same, maybe a little bit cooler. And then for the rest of the week, partly cloudy at the coast, mostly sunny by the bay and inland. Highs low 70s at the coast, mid 70s to low 80s near the bay, mid to upper 80s inland. Right now in San Francisco and Pacifica, it's 59 degrees. In Petaluma, 57 degrees. In Los Gatos and Lafayette, it is 64 degrees. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS news time is 12:20, and this just into our newsroom. Oakland firefighters are battling a 3-alarm fire at this hour at a warehouse near the South Stonehurst neighborhood. The warehouse is located at 98th Avenue and Fairmain Street. People are asked to avoid that area while firefighters work. work to contain the blaze. A man was found dead in Oakland's Concordia Park early yesterday evening. Police responded to the park on Brant Street between 63rd and 64th Avenues after receiving a 911 call around 6 p.m. There they found a man on the ground with gunshot wounds to the head and back. Officers performed life-saving efforts, but the man was pronounced dead at the scene. It is Oakland's 94th homicide of the year. San Jose State University this weekend is hosting a Women's Leadership and Policy Summit. It aims to address women's issues, including health care and reproductive rights, following the decision Arizona lawmakers to ban nearly all abortions. KCBS's Alice Runtz has more.
Local state leaders in San Jose addressed a couple hundred attendees at this annual Women's Leadership and Policy Summit. Dolores Alvarado is CEO of Community Health Partnership.
I think that the audience thought we were just going to talk about abortion. And they were saying to me just now, we had no idea. And then they started to tell stories about their families and how it has impacted them.
Speakers and panelists covered other issues, including economic and policy matters, voter rights to reproductive justice. Victoria is from Sunnyvale. She appreciated the networking opportunities.
This is an event where you can connect with other women, very diverse, inclusive, and empower yourself to move forward with whatever purpose and passion you have.
Supervisor Cindy Chavez and others presented to the crowd via Zoom. Alex Worth, KCBS.
Also in the South Bay, as San Jose Mayor Sam Liccardo nears the end of his time in office, he's taking something of a victory lap. KCBS's Keith Manconi reports.
There's been plenty of ups and downs for San Jose since Liccardo took office in 2015, as he'll readily acknowledge.
Pandemic, mass shootings, civil unrest, droughts, fires, floods.
But during his final State of the City address, delivered this week, he also highlighted the many accomplishments he believes his administration can claim credit for. High on the list, the restoration of key city services, leading to longer library hours, more paved streets, and a new junk pickup program.
Big reason why we're seeing this progress now is because we've gotten our financial house in order.
Meantime, Liccardo also touted city efforts to alleviate the homelessness crisis, including the hundreds of new interim housing units that have gone online since the start of the pandemic.
After years of struggle and some wheels spinning, I believe we're finally seeing some hopeful signs.
Nevertheless, homelessness appears to still be on the rise. Liccardo is turning out at the end of the year. In the South Bay, Keith Manconi, KCBS.
BART says service will be reduced to single track later today near the Pleasant Hill Station. BART is replacing concrete ties near the station, which were damaged as part of a derailment in June. The derailment happened after high temperatures caused a curve in the rail, according to BART officials. The transit agency has been operating trains at reduced speeds in this part of the system since the incident. Passengers later today should expect delays of up to 20 minutes in both directions. KCBS News Time is 12:24.
Home heating technology that was forgotten 40 years ago is making a big comeback. I'm Jeff Colvin of Fortune Magazine with the Fortune Business Update. It's the heat pump, an energy-efficient technology that had its moment in the energy crisis of the late 1970s when oil and gas were painfully expensive. When prices fell, the heat pump was forgotten. Now it's back because the technology has improved. Europe is looking for options as it swears off Russian oil and gas, and governments everywhere are imposing restrictions on greenhouse gases. Heat pumps are certainly more expensive to buy than their dirtier counterparts. Depending on the property size, they can easily run into the tens of thousands of dollars. But they're a lot cheaper to operate. That's why, though you may not have noticed, nearly half of new multifamily buildings in the U.S. and more than 40% of new single-family homes are being built with heat pumps. I'm Jeff Colvin.
A typical morning here in the neighborhood buzz, but today seems sweeter, and I'm sure it's because I'm getting boosted, boosting my immunity, getting boosted, protected from COVID-19. Go to
CBA.gov. To find boosters for ages 5 and up. Stay healthy and strong. Get boosted. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
If you own a business, this has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you may be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you the money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all the work, charging our time up front, and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get from you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help you too. Just go to GetRefunds.com, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to GetRefunds.com. That's GetRefunds.com.
We're all on the planet together. So join Odyssey and find your one thing. Fruits and vegetables are very environmentally friendly foods. Make them even more friendly by eating them in season and choosing produce that is local and organic. Shopping at farmers markets are a great way to do both. And you can also start growing fruits and vegetables in your own garden. Even if you live in an apartment, you can start with a few potted plants. Join Odyssey, and together, each of us doing one thing makes a greener tomorrow. What's your one thing?
Time for another check of the roads. We head back to the KCBS Traffic Center and Frank Munich. Well, not much more than one thing. On the roadways, we're looking at a car fire being reported in Sonoma. This is northbound 680, just past Bernal Avenue. We have one car on the right-hand shoulder, and of course, fire crews pulling up to the scene to try and douse that blaze. South 880, just before the 84 split, that places it just before Dakota Road in Newark. A car that was speeding veered off of the roadway and went down an embankment into some bushes. We have crews there needing some 30 to 40 feet of cable to try and lift that car back onto the shoulder, and that effort continues. Your next update at 12:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Your KCBS Bay Area forecast: clear skies overnight tonight inland near the coast and along the bay, though we're seeing some clouds and fog, which should decrease as the morning wears on. Later on for your Monday, we are looking at highs upper 60s to low 70s at the coast, upper 70s to mid 80s along the bay, low 90s inland. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Individual rates, coverage, offerings, and savings may vary, subject to terms and conditions, not available in all areas.
Hey, small business owner, when's the last time you checked your workers' comp rate? For many small businesses, workers' comp insurance is one of their biggest costs, but some don't check their rate often. Did you know rates can vary? In fact, taking 3 minutes to check your rate with Pi Insurance could save you up to 30%. Just go to trypi.com, share a few details about your business, and get a quote that's customized for you with no hassle or hidden fees. We know you're busy, but spending just a few minutes to check your rate could save you money. Plus, with Pi, you can have peace of mind knowing your employees are protected. Our team of friendly customer representatives are just a call away, ready to help. It's no wonder customers rate us excellent on Trustpilot. Find out how much you could save with Pi Insurance. Ask your agent for Pi or get a quote at trypi.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
News that matters to you around the bay, around the world, around the clock. All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
And Sunday, September 25th, 2022, coming up on KCBS, we'll hear a segment from our KCBS week-long series, I'm Listening, discussing Bay Area mental health issues. This time, frontline workers and UCLA researchers find out what teens don't want to see on TV or in the movies.
CBS News Brief. Floridians are preparing for the arrival of a powerful storm in a few days. This man is in Orange County.
Pick up some sand.